Embark on an unforgettable journey into Ecuador's Amazon rainforest, a haven of biodiversity and stunning landscapes. Discover lush greenery teeming with wildlife, from vibrant birds to elusive jaguars. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of indigenous cultures, where you can learn about ancient traditions and crafts from local tribes. Engage in thrilling excursions like canoeing through winding rivers, guided night hikes to spot nocturnal creatures, or zip-lining through the treetops. Savor the unique flavors of the region, including exotic fruits and traditional dishes crafted with local ingredients. This tropical paradise promises adventure, learning, and memories that will last a lifetime.